What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Josh. We're going to go over Polkadot. It's just broken out of a massive reversal pattern. So I just want to bring it to your guys' attention. We're sitting at 44.86, up almost 9% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 43.91 billion, 24-hour volume, 2.05 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. Receive $25 in crypto, and you can grab one of those incredible Visa cards, Spotify, Netflix, Prime, for free, travel incentives, cashback in crypto, $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So you can see here, we've broken out of a massive inverse head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, breakout. So your target is all the way up at 66. So from our neckline here, that's a juicy trade opportunity of 74%. For DOT, we're beautifully holding the EMAs. We had the bullish cross on the 4-hour right here, and we're looking strong for continuation. If we were to see some rollover here, do target 37, which is the neckline as a back test of support. But as of right now, we've broken out of this pattern, and your target is up here at 66.59. We're coming up to break our previous high, which is an incredible sign of strength. And we've been beautifully holding the EMAs as we've come up from our low here, which was down at about $10 for DOT. All right, guys, give you some future price targets based off the fib. So I'll give you the 1.272. We're back above the golden ratio, back above the 0.786. High likelihood that we're coming up to 77. I'll drop in the 1.618 at 133. And you'll see many of the altcoins, if you take your fib from the previous swing high before this major correction down to your swing low, on this bull run, you see many of the alts come up to the 2.272 extension, which is up at 375 for DOT. And from the current price, that's a juicy gain. It's almost 8x, guys, 748% for DOT. So if you're just getting into the market, or you're not in DOT yet, or you're looking to increase your bag, the time is now, in my opinion. I mean, the time was back when we had the bullish cross on the daily here. And I have been talking about that with many coins, but then the next best time is right now, in my opinion. All right, guys. So that's basically it for DOT. If we do see some rollover here, do target 37.44. But if we simply hold the support of the EMAs as we've been doing here, then do target 66 as your next level of resistance. There will be some resistance along the way. What you can do is go Fibonacci from the previous swing high down to your swing low, and you can see we're coming up to the 1.272. So we have the 1.414 at 46.76, and I'll actually drop in the 1.618. Will probably act as resistance for DOT at 50.78. Very, very close to the previous all-time high, and we did have some rejections from this level for DOT. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Hope I brought you some value. Shout out to the Discord. Over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. It's the price of a coffee. You can sign up through the Patreon, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.